Hi, this is L.N.I 3D. I will show how I made this 3D resin printed figure of Igris from the popular manhwa series Solo Leveling, which has personally become one of my favorite series of all time. As usual, I printed it in my Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra, and using the L.N.I ABS like resin dark gray, it took more or less 6 hours each set totaling, and took me 2.5 days of work in this model. That's include cleaning, curing the model, and prep work for the model is ready for painting. For the paint, I use Hero Plast Primerless Lacquer Acrylic series for this figure because it's locally available and the price is not bad. Originally planned on using my old stock of Zerk paint I stored for a long time, which is years to be exact, and as most paint it's not usable anymore, so I browse the internet and find this Hero paint and try it. To be honest, this will be my first paint job for a long time, so I'm not confident of the outcome of this will look decent. So after a spray of primer, this is the result and ready for the base color. For the next layer, I use the Hero Infinity Black to give it a dark base color for the base, armor part, and use it as a pre-shading color for the cape and hair of the model. Next, I use the Hero Metallic Aluminum for the armor parts to give that metallic look. While waiting for the parts I painted by metallic aluminum to dry, I prepared and masked the figure's base to paint the edge of the stairs with this metallic old gold. For the cape and hair, I used this Hero Imperial Red color to have this bright red to give a bit contrast of color to the armor, and to give the cape more realistic look, I decided to top coat it with matte clear paint while a thin coat of clear gloss on the hair to give it a bit more contrast to the armor and to the cape. After the metallic aluminum paint fully cured, I top it up with layers of Hero Clear Candy Scarlet paint bit by bit until it achieved this deep blood red tone to match its name, Blood Red Commander Igris. And finally, I finish it by top coating the body with layers of clear gloss paint, but before that, I apply Mr. Hobby Weathering Wash Multi Black to make the detail pop and be more visible, as you see here. Here are the fully painted parts. Now it's time for assembly. I'm using super glue to lock it in place. here is the 360 view of Igris without the cape. Next will be the final clip of the figure including the cape.
Oh, rise.
I'm very satisfied with the final result, even thought this is my first painting of figure again for a long time, especially a model I 3D printed by myself is really satisfying. It's good to return to your old hobbies you really enjoy. Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like this video, also hit that subscribe and notification button for more future content and will help this channel grow. Thank you again and see you next time.